Okay, my name is Kim, and I've been seeing Dr. Grant for about 4 years now. I had come to her recently for a neck injury that had caused numbness and tingling down my arm. I had already seen a spinal specialist for trigger point injections with no lidocaine, and I decided since that wasn't working after the third time that I would see Dr. Grant, and she has fixed me up quite well in the past 2 months. And now I have zero pain in my left arm, and I have full feeling in my hand and in my arm, and I recommend her highly.
Kim, what are we calling your problem now that you just told me today?
Phlebotomy neck, 'cause I do a phlebotomy at the University of Connecticut.
And you're bent over all day long, right?
Correct.
And stuff like that. So that caused a big problem. So well, that's wonderful. I'm so happy you're doing better. Thanks so much.
Thank you.